Oh, look at the grass. Look at the grass. Look at that. Look at that. Why are we looking at the grass? The grass is crap. But anyway, the grass did give me an idea. What if, like, back in the dinosaur days, way back when, if all the cool plants from Avatar actually existed and they were actually in the real world? Because we never know. Plants don't leave fossils, do they? How can plants leave fossils? They just biodegrade and die. So we could have had awesome glowy plants and plants where you slap them and they glow and shoot up and all those cool Avatar things, but we'll never know. All we've got is stupid, boring dinosaurs. Anyway, new SAMTIME news, SAMTIME news has been uploaded. Check it out. It's the latest and greatest, of course. Boom, let's start that playing. The SAMTIME news is Sex, Tits, Drugs, and Grand Theft Dragon. I was a bit iffy about that name because I didn't know, like, oh, is that a bit too risque? But I think it's kind of, it kind of catches your attention and kind of grabs people. And the thumbnail, look at the thumbnail, it kind of shows like, oh yeah, it's not really going to be a porn video. And of course having the Grand Theft Dragon in there makes you see like, yeah, it is about video games, Grand Theft, because people know Grand Theft Auto, Grand Theft Dragon, stuff like that. Anyway, remember to subscribe to the SAMTIME News if you haven't already. Thank you for tuning into this vlog, and I'll see you next time. And think about the Avatar grass. Think about it. It could have been all glowy and cool. We'll never know. Thank you.